Hello BIOMED, this is TAMER from TAMER BIOMED. Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps for inspecting and maintaining medical ventilators in ICU. Before we start, remember, ventilators are complex devices that require regular inspection and maintenance. This is crucial for ensuring these devices work safely and effectively. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations and guidelines and report any issues to a qualified biomedical technician immediately. With that being said, let's dive right in. We will be covering a range of essential procedures including daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually inspections. Let's start with the daily routine, which is crucial to maintaining the ventilator's optimal performance. First up, visual inspection. Let's start with the visual inspection. Check for any visible damage on the ventilators, hoses, and breathing circuit. Look for signs of leaks or wear and tear. It's important to inspect all cables, connections, and accessories for fraying or any other damage that could affect performance. Next, we move on to the functional check. Ensure that all controls, alarms, and safety features are working properly. Verify that all settings, including tidal volume, respiratory rate, and mood, are configured correctly. Don't forget to test all alarm systems to confirm they are operational and set at the appropriate thresholds. Now let's check the gas supply. Use pressure gauges to check the oxygen and air supply pressures, along with other medical gases. Confirm that these pressures are within the normal range. Also inspect all connections for any signs of leaks. Next, confirm the monitor functionality. Make sure that all monitoring parameters like tidal volume, peak pressure, and oxygen saturation are displaying accurately. This ensures that you have the correct information for patient care. Now, it's time for the breathing circuit check. Inspect the entire breathing circuit for leaks, kinks, or any damage. This is crucial to maintain proper airflow and prevent complications. Finally, we have cleaning. Clean the ventilator and the breathing circuit according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that the exterior of the ventilator and its accessories are clean and free from contaminants to maintain infection control. Moving on to our weekly maintenance tasks. Let's begin with the pressure check. Perform a thorough pressure check on the entire ventilator. This ensures that the device is operating properly, and it's vital for maintaining the correct pressures for patient ventilation. Next, we will move on to the calibration check. Calibrate all flow meters, pressure gauges, and other measuring devices according to the manufacturer's guidelines. This step is so important for ensuring that all measurements are accurate and reliable. Now, let's inspect the filters. Check the bacterial and viral filters for any signs of clogging. If they're clogged or have reached their usage limit, replace them immediately. This helps to prevent contamination and ensures clean airflow for the patient. Next, perform a battery test. Unplug the ventilator and check that it operates correctly on battery power. This is important to confirm that the backup system is functional in case of any power failure. Finally, make sure to document all inspections and maintenance procedures. Keeping detailed records is essential for compliance and helps track the maintenance history of the ventilator. For our monthly and quarterly procedures, let's start with training sessions. It is important to provide regular training for ICU staff on the operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of ventilators. This ensures everyone is knowledgeable and prepared to handle the equipment effectively. Next, conduct a comprehensive inspection for the internal components, if applicable. Ensure that all parts are functioning properly. This includes performing a leak test of the entire ventilator to identify any leaks in the systems, which is really significant for patient safety. Now, let's move on to detailed cleaning. Conduct a comprehensive cleaning on the ventilator and all reusable components following infection control protocols. This step is vital to prevent infection and maintain a sterile environment. Next, check the battery for proper operation and charge. Make sure it is functioning as intended to provide reliable backup power when needed. Now, check for any available updates for the ventilator software and install them as needed. Keeping the software up to date is essential for optimal performance and security. Moving on, perform a detailed functional test of all ventilator modes and settings. Ensure everything is operating correctly. Test the ventilator's performance against manufacturer specifications, checking parameters like peak flow and compliance to verify that it meets required standards. Lastly, document all inspections and maintenance procedures and results. Now let's talk about annual inspections. Schedule a full servicing by a qualified biomedical technician. This should include in-depth calibration, testing, and part replacement to ensure everything in top condition. Perform a comprehensive inspection of the entire ventilator, including all components and systems. This is essential for identifying any issues that may have not been caught during routine checks. Next, test all functions of the ventilator, including ventilation modes, gas delivery, and alarm systems. This ensures that everything operates correctly and meets safety standards. Calibrate all sensors, monitors, and other measuring devices. Accurate calibration is key to ensuring that the ventilator functions as intended. This should include any repairs or replacement needed to keep the device operating safely and efficiently. Finally, and as usual, document all inspections and maintenance procedures and results. By following these essential maintenance procedures, we can ensure the reliability and safety of medical ventilators. Let's continue to prioritize preventive maintenance and strive for excellence in biomedical engineering. Remember, every step, every check, every cleaning, and every calibration contributes to the safety and well-being of countless patients. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more informative content.